Hey guys, so we just got here to Han's house. We're about to meet up with him so we can go head out to the Salt Flats and get this going here. Say what's up to the homie. Yo, what up, man?
Ready to shoot?
Hell yeah.
Dude, what's with this, bro?
What?
This is mad dirty, man.
I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, you got a little bit of dirt on the front.
We're trying to...
Look at this guy.
We gotta get this washed.
Look at this guy.
We gotta get this washed. I'm barely awake and I can't even tell that this is hella dirty, bro.
Alright, let's go watch it then. Alright, so I guess we'll take his advice. That way we can get it all nice and looking good. I mean, it's a win-win for everybody, right? You get to see a nice car, my car gets clean, but as soon as we get there, we're gonna salty that BZ up. We're gonna go as fast as we can. We're gonna bust some donuts in there, hopefully, but we'll see. Should be a good time. See you there.
Yo! You're finally cleaning, man!
Get out of here, man. Come on, I'm busy here.
Woo! Spotless! The tires all fresh. Okay, I think we got something going on now. I think we're good.
We're good.
Alright.
Alright guys, so we just got here at the Salt Flats. There's Han over there.
My left Han.
This guy. And then it's all nice and open here. So let's see how far we can take that thing and how fast we can take it. Let's go ahead and get it going.
You're right.
Let's go! Alright guys, so we're just finishing up here. We had our fun, we had our fill.
My lip still hurts. I bit my lip.
We rode that thing into the ground. Sun is setting. See how beautiful that sunset is, if you can see it.
Woo.
There it is.
Golden hour.
And that was a lot of fun. So this is in Bonneville Salt Flats. If you guys ever want to come through, rally that car, have some fun. But we'll see you on the next one.